Namaskaram. My name is Harish. I am the architect of ASBL Lakeside project. When we first visited the site several years ago, we saw various views from this site as well. We went to various points and saw the site from there. One of our most interesting point was the hilltop. From the hill, when we were seeing, it gave us very tremendous insights of how the design process have to be. We understood that the design had to be sensitive to the surroundings and it has to be complement the context as well. Usually when people go to clubhouse, they go for recreation, they go to relax, or to feel retreat. In this context, when you have to feel retreat, the building has to be like it's a part of the surroundings, like the hill, the lake, and then the building. To achieve so, we have to choose proper material board, for which we have looked back into traditional Indian architecture and picked few materials. The materials are terracotta, wood and stone. Terracotta for building envelope and various interiors, and stone as a flooring material, and wood for the furniture. We use this material as is without any major processing in them. Though the process is very meticulous, this is little joyful for us because it's something interesting. It's not the usual other buildings. Talking about the space composition, we have placed swimming pool in the ground floor, which is covered. In the first floor, we have placed a veranda, which is another interesting element. It is something which we have picked from traditional Indian houses. You are sitting in that space, have open views to the surroundings, yet covered by a roof. In the first floor, we have another place called multi-purpose room, which is like for kids or someone who wants to learn something, they can use that space. In the second floor, we have placed a community hall and a terrace which can contain the spillover of the community hall. In the third floor, we have placed fitness studio and gymnasium. So the idea is when a place have good views, people go there more often. That's why we place the gymnasium and fitness studio in the top floor so that people go there more often. In every floor, we try to accommodate greens in the periphery so that space becomes more refreshing and more conducive to live there. In every floor, you see that. And when you go to the terrace, which is the best place in the evenings during the sundown, from the terrace, when you see towards the lawn, it's like a stepped terrace gardens. Now that the building is done, the more you use it, the better it gets. Thank you.